really believe that resilience is transformative.
They often describe it to me as come and work with this person and help increase their confidence. And what I find is that it's not really, confidence might be the presenting issue, but actually it's all about their resilience.
Such an important part of resilience is having perspective as well.
Having the opportunity to share what is it that we need in our practice, what is it what we can offer as practitioners to each other, I think was very good.
I think, to be able to connect with other people, to be able to kind of see, share best practice.
It's been really, really enjoyable.